Kate Rotundo. I'm with IFAS Extension, St. Lucie County. I'm the Urban Horticulture Agent for St. Lucie County, and I'm here to talk to you today about building a self-watering gardening bucket. Today, we're going to make sure that you have your 5-gallon bucket and some drain tiles that you have cut to size. We're going to be making a little bit of a shelf where we have 3 sets of these drain tiles that are going to go in the bottom of your 5-gallon bucket. With that lid you've created, you're going to have some holes that you've cut out for your drain tile that's attached here, and then we're going to put our PVC watering pipe in there. We're going to cut that off of the lid, and then we're going to make sure that we put it in here to create a little shelf. After that, we're going to have this empty drain tile right here that we're going to actually fill up with soil so that we create some wicking action, so that when we pour the rest of our soil inside of here before we start planting, that way that water reservoir that's down here is going to wick up all that moisture. We also don't forget to drill a hole so that your water reservoir, when it's full, you're going to see some water dribbling out the side there. So I've got my PVC pipe here. I'm going to put it inside of this small hole that I've created before I pour the rest of my soil inside of here. I'm going to pour that in and then create a nice little dome layer of soil where I'm going to take my plastic bag, put it over that, make a little screen for my soil, poke a hole where that water pipe is going to go through so that I have a nice area to cover before I start planting. This is where you're actually going to water your bucket. So now that we've put all that together, we've got a finished product. Ugh. Our finished product here has this nice tight piece of plastic around that I've snapped that lid back over it. What I'm going to do is put my garden hose into this PVC pipe. Then when it's full, that reservoir down here that's full, we're going to see the water start to dribble out and you've watered enough. Then when you're ready, you're going to choose your vegetable or herb or plant that you want to put inside of here. You're going to create a little X in that plastic, pull apart just a little bit so that you're going to plant your transplant inside here, give it a little nice tuck full of soil right there, and you're ready to go. Good luck with building your self-watering garden bucket, and we're here to answer any questions at IFAS Extension. Again, my name is Kate Rotundo.